Okay, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you the tutorial how to change the Samsung language from Korean to English. So let's get started. Follow the step, and in the top you can scroll down like this to open the setting menu and tap on the gear logo like this, and you can scroll down on the setting menu and you can select on this icon. You can see the icon, you can tap on it and you can select on the top like this, and here you can see the plus icon, you can tap on it and you can search the English, the states or another to setting the language, and you can tap on it to enable. So okay guys, we have changed the language from the Korean to English on Samsung. So thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe.